If you want to enable or disable notifications for specific apps on the Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, then in that case we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find Notifications and Status Bar options. So you want to go over here, and then we have App Notifications. And in here we can see the list of apps that are allowed and disallowed to send you notifications generally. So we can enable and disable notifications for specific apps just by tapping on these switchers. You can also tap on the app itself in order to find some more options, and also we have notification categories. Sometimes we have additional settings where we can choose specific notifications so we can allow the app to send notifications about very specific things, or of course disallow as well. And that is pretty much it. And also, by the way, we can tap over here where we have sort by time received. We can switch to apps that can show notifications as well, or sort by number of notifications. So we can change the sorting over here. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.